Merry Christmas and happy Vlogmas Day 25. We made it. How about that? Blessed be the season and happy Christmas to all of you. I am so thrilled that you guys tune in and watch me and that we can help make each other laugh and help work through some issues together. You guys don't maybe not know that you guys do for me exactly what you guys say that sometimes I do for you guys or bring you a smile, because you guys do that for me as well. And I never expected this community to be so great. And I just really want to tell you guys that I appreciate each and every one of you. And I wish that you guys have a very happy Christmas day. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you have a great day, or whatever it is that you celebrate. Festivus, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever it is. I hope that you guys have a very great season, and I hope that we all can remember that it takes a village and we just need to be kind, and the world will be a better place. So thank you very much again, and happy Vlogmas. And I am going to tune out, and I'm going to spend the day with my family, and I am going to hopefully knit. This is my cast on from yesterday. I'm working on a sweater for me. I love this color. And it's of course Malabrigo yarn, because that is my newfound love. But I do think I might go shopping a little bit, so maybe you guys will see some more yarn hauls in the future. I know that Hobium Yarn is having a sale, and I'm a little interested in checking that out, although I haven't used any of the Hobium yarn that I already purchased. But it's worth a shot to check again since it's on sale, right? That's what I'm telling myself. So I hope Santa was good to you, and I hope that you remember the reason for the season, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you very much, and I know that we'll have a happy 2019, but you'll see me before then. Thanks, guys. Happy Vlogmas.